So we've come to Blackpool. I'm going to check out all of the things that are happening, like winter stuff that's happening, winter maintenance, like the Demolition Grand Prix now. Ice Blast is being pulled down or refurbed or something's going on with it. Yeah, so we're just going to have a fun day while it's coming to the end of the season. Please like and subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out. So now we're going to have a first ride on Gulfstream. Yeah, not a long queue. So we've just been on Gulfstream. Only 5 minutes, going to go on Wallace and Gromit. Looks like a 5-minute wait, so it's not so bad. So we'll go on that and then we'll have a look at some Demolition of Grand Prix maybe. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, so just as you've seen there, they're starting to pull Grand Prix down. There's nothing happening with the station. Yeah, car's still there. Obviously they've blocked it off there, so you can't get out. Yeah, we'll have a walk around and we'll have a look around the other side. So sad. Big Dipper's closed today. Wonder why they've got no cars on the track or anything, so must be doing some maintenance or something. Yeah, that's very sad. It's got a lot of wood though. Shame it's just been bonfire night. I bet they sell the wood though in the shop though, wouldn't they? They've already started selling the track in the middle, the orange track. So yeah, very sad, very sad. But if something is coming in its place, like a roller coaster, family roller coaster maybe, I'll be up for that. That'd be cool. But yeah, what a shame. Say this used to like loop all the way around. It used to go up and up and up and up and into the station, and all that track's gone. Now you could walk through. Here was the gardens that you could walk around. And obviously you can't go in there now because it's like pulling it all down. So yeah. Oh no, never mind. The water level's really low. I know, stopping. Oh, engine's gone off. What's going on? That roller coaster hurts really, really, really bad.
Somebody was saying, ow, ow,
I'm
ow,
not
ow.
surprised, and there's a bit of a queue for it. We're going backwards. Oh, being evacuated. How exciting. Shame it's not a roller coaster, but you know, go with it. Cool. Like a Big Dipper.
Thanks guys, sorry about that.
No worries. Back under the dipper. That's pretty cool. Right, we'll try again. Try again. Right. So train abandoned. Well, at least we've been on Ghost Train and Wallace.
Half the train.
Yeah, Icon's not even on. It's not even sending any cars around. Come back at the Grand Prix site. Two don't want to go on big one. I think me and Jake will go on big one, but it depends what the wait time is, because Icon's not on. Infusion is starting to get a big line. Nickelodeon. It said on the app this morning it was on. Yeah, but that's only on one train.
Revolution's not gone.
Oh, that's true. I've not seen Revolution neither. I know it's getting towards the end of the season, and during the week they do winter maintenance because the closed. Are only open on weekends now. I think there's this weekend, next weekend, and then I think it's just the Saturday after, and that's the fireworks day. I think we're going to come for that. So please like and subscribe, and hopefully that video will be on just after the fireworks day. So Avalanche is on, but it looks like it's a big wait. Depends whether that's on one car as well, I don't know. So it's not a good start when some of the big roller coasters are not on. When we went past, the big one had a little bit of a wait. Not a big wait, but by the time we get round there now, it'll be busy.
Oh my god. Oh no! Jesus Christ!
So I've just been on Red Force. I didn't get one spin. Tried really hard though.
Same.
Did you get any spins?
Didn't get a single spin because I don't know how to work it.
You have to really like push down and up on like alternate sides and really like flap it. Well, yeah, I didn't get any spins. Apparently there was one of, I don't know what number cart it was, but they got 15 spins.
And they were right in front of me as well.
Yeah, the proper light spin. I don't know if you saw it because Callum was filming it.
It was only a kid as well.
He was there. I'll try and go on that later. It's a sad day. Knocked the house down on the entrance to the garden. It was so cute, that though. Yeah, that was all the gardens, and now it's just rubble. Okay, we're gonna go and get something to eat. I think we're gonna go to Loki's and see if they're open, because Burger King's closed. Maybe because it's classed as off season, I don't know. Because technically all the theme parks are actually closed now for the winter, but Blackpool always opens early and closes later. So I think the last day is the 30th with the fireworks. Now, we was going to eat in there, but even that's closed. Yeah, you can't get through here. Oh, this is all closed. They do brilliant whole chickens and cheesy breads. I was really craving the cheesy bread and it's closed. Which, they state things that are in maintenance, but they don't actually state what food supplies are closed, which I think is a bit, yeah, but yeah, right, I'll get some shots of the other side of Ice Blast. Yeah, the top of it is here. See, that lives right at the very top. They took that off, and this, I think it's the blue struts in the middle here. That's all on one of the car parks somewhere. Grand National is open. Big Dipper isn't. Yeah, it's got, big one's got quite a queue, but that's on one car. Avalanche is on one car. That's got a big queue. So I know they're only open for weekends, but the weekends they should be putting at least 2 cars on, because they're the last theme park that's open. Alton Towers, Thorpe Park, all the big theme parks are all closed, and these are open, and people flock to here when they're only open on weekends, because the rest of them are closed. So they need to put something in to make it go of a smoother day and not have so many rides closed. This is one of the reasons why we have not renewed our passes, because it's just, this season has been horrendous. So we've come out the park, we've got our stamps on our hand, the UV stamps, so we can come back in. We're just going to go to the Weatherspoons. Yeah, because like Loki's bar's not open, Burger King's not open. That's like the cheapest option for us is Burger King, but everything's really expensive in there. So yeah, we're going to head to is it called Velvet Coaster? Velvet Coaster, yeah. And we've got our UV stamps in our hands, so we can go back in the park. And hopefully by then Icon might be open, because it's what time are we on? Oh, hang on, it's 1 o'clock, so we've been here for a good hour and a half, and it's quite a lot not open. o'clock now and Icon is still not on. So I don't think that's opening today. Park closes at 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's just not a good day, to be fair. Infusion's going round. It's quite a biggish queue for infusion, so I think we're gonna head out. Hope that's open next year. I hope they get it sorted, because I've missed that. Have you? Missed River Caves. Nice having a nice little sit down and a nice boat ride to chill out, but yeah, it's not to be this year. We didn't even get to go on it before it closed at the beginning of the season. We never went on it. Oh, he's off. Yeah, so we're just gonna head towards the exit and have a look at some of the merchandise in the shop. So I just bought myself a Christmas jumper, ready for Christmas jumper day in Efteling. So yeah, they've got I think it's 30% off Black Friday sale at the minute. Yeah, we'll have a look in the main shop as well, but I bought that in the shop at Kiss Me Quick. So I'll have a quick look around there. It's a bit bigger and I want to get a Christmas bauble as well, so I'll have a look in there now. So we're on our way out. We'll have a quick look in the shop and see what they've got. They've got lots of things on sale. Oh boys, they've got Ghost Train stuff over here. Got Ghost Train stuff. A nice hoodie. Little skeletons as well. Nice book. I've got that at home. Do you? Yeah, wooden pin sets. With more hoodies. That's the price of the hoodies. And they've got pins and water bottles. Books. That's a nice fluffy dressing gown. That's quite a good sale. Bought this hat. Got that ready for Efteling. Get all wrapped up nice and warm. Oh, drinkware. Buy one, get one free. That's cool. Buy one, get one free. I'd be tempted. Got baby clothes. Oh, I need to get a croc charm. I don't have. Got loads of croc charms. I've not got that one. I'm going to get that one. Big one. Mr. Funshine. Hot ice. Do you like hot ice? And the stage thing that Amanda does. Yeah. Got that one. Crocs. Now if you like your dry coats, they have Pleasure Beach dry coats. Let's see if there's anything on the back. Oh, is that on the back? That's pretty cool. They're heavy, really heavy. Let's have a look. They've got Valhalla ones. It's got Valhalla on the sleeve. Oh, they're on offer. £69. It says Valhalla on the back. Could do with one of them for work, to be fair. Keep me nice and warm. I'm actually, that could be my new work coat. I've got Icon. That one's a bit too white for work. And then you've got your raincoats. Raincoats are £69. There's Valhalla on the back. Got little onesies. Trousers. I think these are trousers, yeah. Joggers, £49.95. Right, so I'm gonna get this charm, and I'm gonna get a Christmas bauble. So these are all big one cars. Maybe they're going to get refurbed or something, I don't know. What was that open now from? That looks familiar. Ah, yes, the burger place in the middle. Oh yeah, yeah. In Nickelodeon Land, there's a little bouncing ride for the kids, and the car things are there. They're doing early winter maintenance in Nickelodeon Land. I don't know. That might have already gone for refurbishment, because Nickelodeon Land is opening in February, so they started the maintenance really early. Wow, this is cool. All the stuff just here, ready for maintenance. Cool. And all the other stuff as well. You got avalanche cars. That looks like it's Grand National cars as well.
Remember,
the old cars.
It's red on Grand National.
And that's the green one. That, you know, it's always been sat at the side of Grand National.
Yeah.
That's the cars for them. They must be going now, getting refurbed.
I saw it and it was red on red.
Yeah, yeah, was it? So you got all your avalanche here. That looks like that's probably going off to either be refurbed or scrapped or what have you. But these look like Grand National cars, and maybe Grand National cars there. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. So that's it now for Blackpool for this video. Possibly come back for the fireworks. I'm not 100%, but I am looking at getting a new camera for Efteling, the DJI Osmo 3 I think it is. I'm looking at getting that, so I might come for the fireworks just to see if I can test that out, ready for Efteling. We're going to Efteling Christmas. So yeah, it's been a bit of a letdown day, but that's been Blackpool all year, to be fair. I imagine the last day is going to be really busy, I can imagine, so I'm not hoping, I don't think we'll get on much, to be fair, then, but we'll see. I just want to get on Icon. It's a shame Icon's not open today, but yeah, and I don't think Enzo will be open now. They'll just put one car on and that'll be it. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for our Christmas at Efteling, so that'll be cool. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.